Hello everyone, today we will be demonstrating how to install the 36 volt Raptor. Let's start with our parts and components. On each battery you will find a QR code that will take you to the spec sheet. For this installation we will need two Raptors, one parallel bus bar, 3 BB175 connector to ring terminal cables, one 17 amp charger, and mounting brackets with screws. Let's start our installation of the 36 volt Raptor. Begin by mounting your bus bar. It is crucial that the bus bar is placed in an open area where no objects will interfere with the connections. With the bus bar mounted, it is now time to connect your card's main negative and main positive. Now connect your BB175 cable for each battery you wish to install. Since we are installing two batteries, we will be installing two BB175 cables to the bus bar. Make sure the black negative cables are connected to the negative end of the bus bar, and the red positive cables are connected to the positive end of the bus bar. It's very important to tighten your connections and place the caps back onto the bus bar. Next, we'll be placing the batteries inside the cart. It is important to make sure your batteries are now turned on. We recommend strapping or bolting your batteries to your cart. You can use our screws and brackets to do so, or use self-tapping screws or your own nuts and bolts. Now place the batteries in the cart. Make sure your Raptors are secure and not touching your bus bar. As seen here, there is a slot within the bottom of each Raptor, allowing you more compatibility for different carts. Now plug in your BB175 cables into your batteries. Make sure your cable is plugged all the way in, as shown in this example video. If you have two or more batteries in parallel, it is important to make sure that both batteries are turned on by seeing the on button is pushed in. A battery turned off but placed in parallel with the battery turned on will still read the voltage of the battery which is turned on. This is why it's important to make sure each battery has the power button in the on position. Let's move on to charging your 36 volt Raptor. One method of charging your batteries is to connect your BB175 cable to your bus bar. Next, plug in your 17 amp charger into an AC outlet. Then, turn the charger on by flipping the switch in the on position, and then connect the charging cable to the BB175 cable that you just connected to your bus bar. Once connected, each battery that is also connected to the bus bar will be charging. Both batteries must be turned on for charging. If you wish to use the onboard charger, secure the cart ring terminals directly onto your bus bar. It is crucial to keep in mind when onboard charging that you must be within the approved voltage. And then you can plug directly into your cart and begin charging. Warning, never charge the 36 volt Raptor past 44.1 volts. Never exceed the recommended charging voltage to avoid damage. And that's it. It's that simple.